Angel number 949 meaning. Are you interested in angel number 949 meaning? Then this guide is for you. Has the number 949 been recurring in your life? Do you feel it's like it follows you everywhere you go? Well, you are a lucky person. You see, seeing this number many times is not a coincidence. It is a special message to you from the divine realm. The angels use this number to alert you of the blessings that are sure to follow. And they never stop sending this number your way until you receive the message they intend for you. This means that you need to open your mind to the meaning of this number. What exactly do the angels want you to understand? Wait, special offer for you after finishing this video. Get you free personal numerology reading to know about yourself, about your personality and more. Link in description, don't miss it. What's the meaning of angel number 949? When you keep seeing the number 949, the angels are drawing your attention to the special gifts you were born with. One such gift is that of light working. This means that you have the special power to heal. Some lightworkers can lay their hands on a sick person and actually give them back their health. You don't have to worry if this does not manifest in you. According to ancient wisdom, you volunteered to be on Earth when it was facing its worst challenges. This says a lot about your personality. Angel number 949 lays much emphasis on your need to be compassionate and kind. You need to move out to help alleviate the pain and suffering of others. You have the unique ability to provide other people with relief in the face of tragedy. The angels want you to take the lesson you learn in life seriously. From these lessons, you'll learn to heal the world in your own way. Angel number 949 brings you in close contact with your divine purpose here on Earth. The angels want you to focus your time and efforts in spiritual matters. There's much you can do to provide humanitarian assistance to the less fortunate. Take up this responsibility with happiness. The universe will reward you in ways you'd have not thought possible. But, before you make any moves, rid your life of all toxicity. Do everything you can to live a cleaner, healthier life. This will enable you to open up enough space for blessings to come into your life. The toxins we are talking about could be people, situations, associations, relationships, and habits. Find out what is making your life stagnate. Angel number 949 is a sign that you need to let go of all negative patterns. Focus on this, that will make you a better, more productive individual. What does 949 mean in love matters? Angel number 949 has a lot of influence when it comes to matters of the heart. The angels use this number to tell you to take responsibility for your love life. Don't just sit and wait for things to happen in your life. You need to move out of your comfort zone. Get out there and seek a suitable partner. There is someone special out there waiting for you to make the right move. Get noticed by changing your aura. Create a positive personality. Always put your best foot forward. People gravitate towards a potential partner who radiates warmth. So, if there's any hope of establishing a stable romantic relationship, have a positive attitude. Positivity will enable you to make friends with ease. Let people see the beautiful person that you truly are. However, even as you move out, have realistic expectations. You are not perfect, and neither are the people you are going to meet. Don't judge people on their face value. The most valuable aspect of an individual is within them. As such, don't use physical appearance as the sole criterion of judging them. If you already have a partner, show them love and respect. Remember, you are not in competition with them. Use your gift of lightworking for their benefit as well as yours. What's the symbolism of angel number 949? When the number 949 keeps appearing in your life, it's an indicator that you have the attitude of a winner. The angels want you to exude positivity. They are ready and willing to guide you on your path to success. Work hard and pay no attention to the naysayers. You are your own best motivator. Also, you can be your own worst enemy. Your self-perception creates all the difference. As such, you need to fortify your self-belief. Be very keen on what you wish in your life. Your thoughts have a way of manifesting rather fast. This means that you need to focus on the positive things you'd like to achieve. Angel number 949 is a sign that you have the resources to create your own life. With this kind of power, you'd want to create only the best kind of life. Make sure that what you choose adds value to your life and that of your loved ones. When you keep spotting this angel sign, know that the divine realm wants you to live your life to the fullest. Go about your activities with joy and passion. Don't be so caught up in the cares of the world that you forget to enjoy the finer things of life. Additionally, this angel number calls on you to surrender your worries. Allow the angels to guide you in life. After all, they are right there with you. The presence of number 949 is the evidence of their presence. What's the importance of angel number 949 in my life? You have a major role to play in this world. The angels are willing to help you realize your spiritual destiny. Angel number 949 urges you to take stock of your life. Find out how you are using your time, energy, and emotions. Remove anything that is not adding value to your life. You need to lay emphasis on things that are driving you towards your chosen goals. Don't waste your energy on things that are counterproductive. The angels want you to know that the quality of life you led is your choice. Angel number 949 encourages you to take the right steps to fulfill your soul mission and divine purpose. The angels want you to let go of old habits. Also, remove from your life people, patterns, and relationships that are not serving your highest good. Instead, look for ways to connect with your higher power. The angels have made the first step by sending angel number 949 into your life. Take the bold move to improve your existence. Conclusion. The number 949 does not appear in your life for no reason. It's not just some random number that happens to be in your life. When you see this number constantly, don't treat it as a coincidence. This number keeps repeating itself because the angels are conveying a certain message in your life. Angel number 949 is an indicator that your life is under the protection of the angels. The divine realm is ready to pour its blessings into your life. The number 949 may not look very impressive, but it carries a lot of power. Open your mind to the meaning it brings into your life. When you see this number, get ready to receive blessings.